This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable napkins, specifically these Luxenap Micropoint napkins. There's two sizes here. We have the dinner napkin, which measures 15 3/4 inch square when unfolded, and also the cocktail size, which measures 7 3/4 inch when unfolded. So you have some great options, whether you need smaller napkins for cocktail hour, for appetizers, or anything like that, or larger ones for dinner service, luncheons, buffets, brunches, whatever the case may be. And there's lots of great colors as well. We have gray, black, brown, navy blue, red in the solid colors here. And you can see in these cocktail sizes, we have black, gray, and white as well. And we have some with more detail. So we have a white with gray threads, which you can see is a white napkin with just some gray threaded detail going through it. The black with white threads, which has a kind of charcoal gray overall feel to it. And then finally, this Bordeaux with black threads, which has a nice dark kind of burgundy maroon feel. And those threads add just a little more texture and detail to these napkins. All of them have a Micropoint stitching design that creates both pattern and texture, giving them a lovely feel and look, and a 2-ply construction that is both absorbent and strong. They're pre-folded into these approximately 8 by 8 squares for the dinner napkins, and they're great for restaurants, caterers, for doing things like weddings and corporate events. And as a bonus, they're recyclable, so they make for a lovely, pleasant presentation with easy cleanup.